Hey guys, welcome to I have no idea what day it is. You're welcome. Today we're going to be reading another Pete the Cat. Today it is Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. So let's go ahead and get started. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, and groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. There he is with his 4 groovy buttons. Right there. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, buttons, four. Yeah, man. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? If you had 4 groovy buttons and 1 popped off. Yep, he has 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So he only has 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. Man, it's not a good day for buttons. He should have worn a zipper or something. Okay, so if you had 3 buttons, another one popped off. How many does he have left if you lose 1 from 3? Let's take 1 finger away. 2, exactly. So out of the 4, he now has 2 buttons. Okay, but even though he only had 2 left, did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Ha! Pete cry, come on. Silly. Buttons come, buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons, my buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Did he sing about 3 groovy buttons and we missed it? He never sang about the 3. Well, we'll just assume that he did in the privacy of his own home as a karaoke thing. Pop. Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. So if he had 2 buttons, then another one popped off. What do? Put 1 finger down, so what does that leave? 1 button, exactly. He got ice cream too. He got ice cream and he dropped his button. So, there we are. 1. 1 of the 4. 2 minus 1 equals 1. But did Pete cry, guys? Exactly. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button, my button, my 1 groovy button. He's grooving. Here he is. 1 groovy button. Ow. What do you think's about to happen? Yeah. Pop. Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. So, if the last one popped off, how many buttons does he have left now? Exactly. None. No more buttons on the Pete. If you take 1 away from 1, you got nothing. Boop. Guys, did Pete cry? Not a tear. Not one. No tears. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? There he is with his buttonless shirt. No more groovy buttons. he saw his belly button. Yeah. And he kept on singing his song. So there he is. His little belly button. Boop, boop. Ooga. Meep, meep. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. And you know what? It's all good. Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da-da, wow, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, wow. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. There he is. Buttons come and buttons go. And that is the moral of the story. Just keep on singing. Things are going to come and go, but you know what? It's okay. Because you always still have something to be thankful and grateful for. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will see you soon. Stay safe, stay well. Talk to you later.